Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare soya keema recipe. So here I have taken 200 grams of soya bean. I have soaked them in lukewarm water for near about 2 minutes. Then I have squeezed the soya bean chunks and I have put it in the blender or a mixie, and I have grinded it like this. This is two medium-sized tomatoes. I have roughly chopped them. Two green chilies. 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. 1-inch cinnamon stick and 4 cardamoms. 2 medium-sized onion. I have finely chopped it. 1 cup of fresh green peas. Salt as per our taste. I'm going to prepare this recipe in mustard oil. This will give a lovely flavor. I just love the flavor of mustard oil. Garam masala powder, I'll be using 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Coming to the dry spices, I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. I'll be using fresh coriander leaves to garnish this. So now let's get started. Here I have heated 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. I will add the cinnamon stick and the cardamoms into the hot oil. Now I will add the chopped onion. We'll saute this onion till it becomes slightly transparent or little bit cooked. So we'll saute the onion. As our onion got slightly cooked, we will add the ginger garlic paste. We'll mix it. Now we will add the dry spices, the coriander powder, cumin powder, the turmeric powder and the Kashmiri red chili powder. This is the time, friends, when our masala needs to get cooked and we need a little moisture. So we are going to add the chopped tomatoes. The tomato juice, the juice that comes out from the tomato, will give moisture to the masala. Add salt so that the tomatoes get cooked properly. Salt as per our taste. Keep the flame into medium. You can also add the green chilies. And now let's cook the masalas properly. So over a medium flame, we'll cook the masala. Now friends, as you can see, our masalas are cooked properly. There's a lovely color also. This is the time we will add the green peas. We'll cook with the masala for 2 minutes. Now friends, after sauteing it for 2 minutes, we will add the keema soya. And we will mix it with the spices. Now I have mixed it with the masala. I'll saute it for a minute with the spices. Now we will add little water, half a cup of water. Increase the flame. Add little coriander leaves. Mix it. And now we will cover this and cook for near about 3 to 4 minutes over a medium flame. Now friends, we'll remove the lid. As you can see, the water has almost dried up. I will add the garam masala powder at this time. 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. I'll mix it. Sprinkle fresh coriander leaves. The remaining. And now cover it and over a low flame leave it like this for a minute. So now we'll remove the lid and we will put off the flame. So our soya keema is ready. We'll transfer it to the serving bowl or plate. So here is our very delicious soya keema ready. You can savor this hot with rotis, parathas. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.